What's up, everybody? Colin here. I'm gonna start doing these daily vlogs or thoughts of the day or whatever, and it takes a lot of time to edit long videos, so I figured let's just do a quick off-the-cuff, no editing, simple video on one idea of the day. And today's idea is doing too much stuff. I fall victim to this, I'm sure a lot of you do, but I always have ideas, I always have things that I want to do or I think will be good or I think will provide value, whether that's in my personal life, whether that's in business, marketing, social media, all the different things. There's always some new thing, idea, whatever to do, and as a result, I get pulled in many directions. And I remember watching Sam Ovens' video, and he was talking about the importance of focus and doing less, and he drew this thing, so I'm gonna draw it for you. So as you see here, we have energy being split out amongst a lot of different things, right? If we take all of this different energy and we put it into just one thing here, right? We can go deep, whereas this is shallow with all of these, okay? You want to go deep. That is where the results are, okay? This is how you break through the noise. This is how you get results. Whereas everybody is getting distracted with social media and all the nonsense, all these different things are doing, all the bells and whistles, the black hole that they get sucked into, with all the different things, whether it's business, personal life, whatever you try and do. There's a million things you could do, and really there's only a few things you should do. And so if you can take all these many things here and direct it into this, that's how you get results, that's how you go deep. And generally the people that become the best in the world at things, they're literally focusing on one, maybe two things that bring them the most results. If you're growing your social media channel, typically it's a niche that is getting results, and you do more of that. I hate to say it, but a lot of these Instagram models or whatever, where they just take pictures of their ass, they realize that those get the most likes and engagement and shares, so their whole account becomes pictures of their ass, right? Now that's not really something you should aspire to, I think. That's probably it's probably a bad example, but it's at least example of going deep, because if that same Instagram model would post pictures of like lifestyle, family, cats, dogs, whatever, she would have less growth as a result. It's just the reality. Maybe it is a good example because it's an actual reality of how this type of stuff works. But because she figured out that pictures of her ass gave her the most results and the most engagement and whatever, right, rewarded by the algorithm the most, she would grow more. You have to find those things in your life that give you the same thing. You have to find your ass pictures, basically. You have to find the things that you can do or put out there that bring you the most ROI. You've probably heard of like Pareto's principle, 80-20, right? The idea that 80% of your results come from 20% of whatever you're doing. They say 80% of your revenue comes from your best 20% customers. And it can even sometimes go further to like 95-5, where 95% of your revenue could come from your 5 best customers. 95% of your results could come from the top 5% activities that you do. You got to find ways in your life to focus on the big things and eliminate as much of these little whatever, these units of energy that you're just like putting out there, okay, is taking away from going deep. Yeah, you hear people having like multiple sources of income, making 100 here, 100 there, or whatever. But if you were to drop all that and focus on one really good source of income, your highest, most potent and potential and best use of your time source of income, and you just focus there, well, you would make exponentially more money or get exponentially more results or whatever. Okay, that's the start of the day. Subscribe, do it.